So I'm home on a rainy day with a little rehearsal, but it's too good to pass by. Yesterday I heard the rain. Yesterday I heard the rain whispering your name, asking where you've gone, but your image still was there, brighter than a flame, as I wandered on out of doorways, black umbrellas, they came to pursue. Faceless people, as they passed, were looking through. No one knew me. Yesterday I shut my eyes, face up to the sky, drinking in the rain, but your image still was there,